and welcome back to another video. Today we have a unboxing video, and I actually do not know what, so start to look at it. I've actually mentioned it, I think, but the dual unboxing of the FedEx plant and the Icelandair 757 will have to wait a bit because I think this is a bit more urgent. I'd like to say thank you for our subscribers. So I've opened the box, but I've not looked at the model yet. Just opened it up to make sure everything was intact. But let's look at this. So yeah, alright, so paper in there, and here we go. Oh my god, yeah, okay, I remember this now. So we have the United Bombardier CRJ 550, and let me show you how tiny this box is. This very tiny box. So that is a this is compared to the let's find it. Here we go. So this is the Boeing 717 box, which is around the same, which is around the same size as a normal box. And look how tiny that is. Very tiny box. I've already noticed right away off the bat. So let's start off with the actual unboxing. So right here we have the Gemini Jet sign, the slogan, the first look at it, and yeah. Oh my god, that's tiny. Due to storage space on my camera, I'm not going to read this to you because that would take way too long and you guys would be bored. Just feel free to pause the video at any point to read. And yeah, this is like so tiny, but it's kind of cool. But here we go. So we have all that stuff. This is nice because it has the new United livery too. And I really need some expresses for my DCA airport. So yeah. And then on the back we have that. Feel free to pause at any time if you want to look at it. The mold. So as you can see, this is like tiny. So let's wait for this to. I'm gonna zoom in a bit and wait for it to fill in. So this is. I'm gonna compare it to a Boeing 717, not another CRJ 550, not another CRJ, but just look how tiny this mold is compared to that. So yeah. But this is a United Express unboxing of the CRJ 550. So let's get started on that. So as you can see, we have the L1 door and the United Express in the new livery. We have the wave down there, kind of. We have our wing with winglets. Turn that a bit. No sign on the winglets though. We have the emergency exit window, and we have the little step thingies right there, and the American flag, registration, the engines, and then the symbol. Let's look at it from the front. So as you can see, yeah, looking pretty good. Everything looks centered enough. Next side, kind of the exact same thing, looking pretty good. It's gonna be the hard part, looking at the bottom. Don't have United on it, but yeah, because they don't, the back of it, and yeah. Ooh, look at the detail of having the wing holes in that. That's pretty nice. Everything is die cast, by the way. So we have everything that is die cast. So that's something that's nice. Yeah, so I give this model a pretty good review. Just, you have to know how small this is. Like, this is, again, this is comparing it to my MD-11F, and it fits snugly right underneath the wing. So yeah, very nice model. I like the livery look, and yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah.